How to group elements on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can group elements on Canva. To begin, open your Canva application on your mobile device and click on plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Here select a photo or background for your element. Then click on use a new design option below. You will reach to the editing space. Here again tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then select elements from the menu. Now select the photos you want to add on your background and adjust their placement accordingly. After arranging your photos, below you will see some icons there. Find select multiple option. Tab on it, select all the photos from here. After selecting all of your photos, swipe and click on group icon. Once you click on that, it will consolidate all the selected photos in a single group. And finally, make any necessary adjustment and you're done. You have successfully grouped your elements on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.